Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we will mainly focus upon the red cell indices. Now, what could be the red cell indices? In these categories, the first is the mean cell volume of the RBC. The second could be the mean cell hemoglobin. The third could be the mean cell hemoglobin concentration. And the fourth is hemoglobin. So first, what is the mean cell volume? Mean cell volume is basically the average volume of red cell. Average volume of red cell, mean cell volume, and it is usually given in femtoliter. The normal values of the mean cell volume, according to different books, they are different, but generally it is considered that 76 to 100 femtoliter is normal. This is the normal mean cell volume. So below 76 femtoliter there would be microcytic, and above 100 femtoliter there would be the macrocytic anemia. Now next is the mean cell hemoglobin. Mean cell hemoglobin is the average content. What is it? It is the average content, or you can say mass of hemoglobin per red cell. That in individual red cell, what is the amount of hemoglobin, and it is usually given in picogram, and the normal values of the mean cell hemoglobin ranges from 27 to 33 picogram. This is the normal value of the mean cell hemoglobin. Now, what is the mean cell hemoglobin concentration? Mean cell hemoglobin concentration, it is the average concentration. It is the average concentration of hemoglobin in a packed red cells, and it is usually given in the gram per deciliter. Average concentration of hemoglobin in a packed red cells. So mean cell hemoglobin, that in an individual cell what is the amount of hemoglobin, while the mean cell hemoglobin concentration, that in an individual cell what is the concentration of hemoglobin, that is the mass of hemoglobin per volume of that cell, and its normal value is the 33 to 37 gram per deciliter. Whereas hemoglobin, it is generally that is in our CBC report, hemoglobin is given. We mainly focus upon hemoglobin, and this is the hemoglobin, that is the amount of hemoglobin per volume of the per unit volume of the blood, and it is also given in gram per deciliter. And the hemoglobin values for males and females, they are different. For males, about 14 to 18 gram per deciliter is the normal value of hemoglobin, whereas for females its value ranges from 12 to 16 gram per deciliter. So below these values there would be hypochromic, and within the normal range there would be the normochromic. So that was all about the red cell indices. Thanks a lot.